So hello students, here we have gathered for discussion on the Python programming language, and I will be your instructor for this programming language. Now for starting with the Python programming language, first we shall discuss that the things we don't need from you. First, I don't need any prior knowledge to Python. If you are a very much beginner to Python programming, and if you will be with me, I will teach you every single basic concept and we will slowly move on to the advanced concepts of Python. Second, prior knowledge about any programming language. If you are a totally fresher in computer science background and you don't have any coding experience or any experience of any programming language, then it will be okay. I will guide you every basic step of Python. Now we come to the things that we need. I only need a computer with Anaconda IDE installed on it. Now what is Anaconda IDE? It is basically integrated development environment where you will code for the Python programs. Within this Anaconda IDE, you will find many tools like Spider, Jupyter Notebook, etc. etc. We will be going to use the Spider IDE inside this Anaconda IDE. So just Google Anaconda IDE on Google and you will find out the setup of this Anaconda. Just install the latest setup and we are already ready to start with the Python programming. To start with the Python programming language, we first need to get familiar with the two terms, that is the variable and the constant. A variable is a named memory space. A memory space, suppose this is a memory space and it has some name, say A. A variable is a named memory space allocated to store some data. That means we want to store some data in that memory space. Suppose I have stored 30. Now this data can be modified at any point in the program. What is the meaning of modified? Suppose anywhere in the program I change the value of 30 to 40, or if I decrease it by 20 I can change it to 20 also. So a named memory space is storing some data and that data is getting changed or modified at any point in the program. Now what is a constant? It is also a named memory space allocated to store some data, but that data cannot be modified at any point in the program. Once we declare a constant, we cannot modify its value in the whole program. If you are clear with these two terms, we can start with our first program.